5 uncommon and easy online income ideas. Save, share, and start early. Click now to discover these wealth possibilities. Sorted better to best. Idea 1 of 5. Sell specialized electronic components. Step 1. Identify market gaps. Recognize areas where unique components are lacking. Step 2. Design components. Utilize your engineering skills to design and prototype components. Step 3. Manufacturing partnerships. Establish partnerships with reliable manufacturers. Step 4. Online store setup. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify. Step 5. Marketing. Promote through social media, electronics forums, and partnerships with influencers. Idea 2 of 5. Launch an online course on advanced electronics. Step 1. Choose topics. Select in-demand subjects like FPGA programming or advanced circuit design. Step 2. Course planning. Outline course content and structure. Step 3. Platform selection. Use e-learning platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Step 4. Content creation. Develop high-quality video lectures and supplementary materials. Step 5. Pricing strategy. Set competitive yet profitable prices. Step 6. Marketing. Advertise through social media, engineering forums, and collaborations with influencers. Idea 3 of 5. Invest in renewable energy projects. Step 1. Research opportunities. Identify promising renewable energy ventures. Step 2. Financial planning. Allocate funds for investments. Step 3. Due diligence. Thoroughly research potential projects, considering sustainability and growth prospects. Step 4. Diversify investments. Spread investments across different projects. Step 5. Stay informed. Monitor industry trends and the progress of your investments. Idea 4 of 5. License electronic music. Step 1. Skill development. Hone your electronic music production skills. Step 2. Create a portfolio. Develop a portfolio of diverse and high-quality music tracks. Step 3. Licensing platforms. Join music licensing platforms like AudioJungle or Pond5. Step 4. Promotion. Share your portfolio on social media, music forums, and collaborate with content creators. Idea 5 of 5. Develop and sell smart home automation devices. Step 1. Identify needs. Research gaps in the smart home automation market. Step 2. Prototyping. Develop functional prototypes of smart devices. Step 3. Manufacturing partnerships. Partner with manufacturers for production. Step 4. E-commerce setup. Create an online store using platforms like WooCommerce. Step 5. Marketing. Highlight features and benefits on social media, tech blogs, and smart home communities. In the last video, I discussed rare income opportunities for chemical engineers. Here's the video. Sharing might help your friends. Also, these tools boost your business.